The ultrasonic knife that I got from Amazon here. So doing a little review on it. I know a lot of people are get a lot of smoke from hot knives or a lot of dust from like the burrs cutting it. So it's just this little unit right here. It comes with knives. This has actually been used to cut a lot. I'm talking about a lot. You can even see the melted stuff on there. I used it to cut the Moonray's lid to create a door hinge on it and all. So I'm still using it. It's still pretty sharp. So I'm going to use it to actually cut some of these retainers to show you how these retainers cut. So you push the button and the light comes on. So right now it can't cut anything. I just sit there. But as soon as you turn that on, same amount of pressure, it just starts going through there. And you see no smoke. So I'm going to turn it on and do an actual cut here. And this one will cut through the model a little bit too, because it is. Hold on, do I have this on high? Nope. There's a normal and a high mode, so I had it on normal. So now, and also blade. This is kind of hard to videotape, but Roy's doing a good job here. Use this that much. Actually, I want to do a lot of work. That's my wife. Make sure you turn it off. And it's got a little tray for that. It's kind of nice. And there you go. Let's pop it off here. Now you just gotta polish it up, and or you can just go back, and if you need to cut any more on there, it's much easier. You can just go in there, just go like where you need to, and it's easy to scalp around there. You can kind of curve it how you need to as well. You see that? So, and just go on there with a little bristle brush that you have, and there you go.